Business owners say no to AI until they see it in action. The demo I'm about to show you doesn't just show business owners what AI can do, it helps convince them automatically, all while helping you land clients without a single hard pitch. And the best part is, in this video, I'm giving you this entire AI self-selling system for free. So I'm not going to waste any of your time. I'm just going to show you this exact self-selling demo. So it comes in the form of this beautiful smart website, as you hear, geared towards chiropractors, though you can use this for any business. And it's not just any website, even though it looks really cool. It has AI agents attached, and it has a chat widget that can do a live chat, which is an AI chatbot, messaging back and forth, and even an AI voice chat where you can legitimately talk to this thing. Like the website can speak. If you don't believe me, check this out. Watch this.
Hey, you have reached Chiropractor Snapshot. This is Cole. How can I help you today?
Hey, Cole, how you doing? My back hurts.
Hi there. I'm sorry to hear about your back pain. That's never fun. Let's see how we can help. Can I start by getting your name?
Yes, Declan the Wizard.
Got it. Declan. D-E-C-L-A.
Hey, Cole, before I book an appointment, I just have a quick question. Is getting your back cracked healthy?
Great question. Getting your back cracked or adjusted is generally considered safe when performed by a licensed chiropractor. It can help restore spinal alignment, reduce nerve interference, and improve joint mobility. Some people might feel mild soreness afterward, but
that is the power of this demo. And the crazy part is I'm giving it to you for free. And that actually brings me to my next point, which is I'm not trying to sell you anything in this video, okay? No high-ticket coaching upsells, no expensive outdated courses, none of that. All of this stuff I'm giving you, the website, the AI agents, all of this stuff is free. The second thing I also want to let you know, on top of me actually trying to help you out and give you free stuff, is that I've actually walked the walk. A lot of these gurus online, they're just really good at making YouTube videos. They've never actually done what they're telling you to do. I have. As you see on the screen right here, I have won a ton of awards by selling software and AI to local businesses. Okay, I have actually done this. I have. You can go to my agency website and see my testimonials. I've done this. I know it. So I'm trying to give you what has worked for me. That's my whole goal here. And I'm not trying to sell anything, so it's really risk-free. So what I want to walk you through now is how we demo this to local businesses, because this is the million-dollar question. So however you're getting your leads, okay, whether that's cold email, cold SMS, walk-ins, however you're bringing your clients in, the whole goal is to have them see how this AI will help their leads, not necessarily them. This is a key part where a lot of people get wrong. They'll go, hey, here's this cool website for you. Isn't this cool? Isn't this cool? And to them, they're like, this is cool, but it's not solving the core component, which is their leads being sold. That's why this is so incredibly powerful. So for example, when they come in and they're like, oh, this is pretty cool, you're like, test out the AI, whether it's an email form or you're letting them know. They come in and they immediately see, just like I showed you a second ago, how this works in action. They are seeing what happens if their clients, chiropractor patients, came to the website, how it would guide them through and sell them on chiropractor services. That's when the dollars go off. That's when the light bulb pops. That's what gets the psychology of the sale going, because they're seeing the value right off the bat. Now, from there, AI is selling itself to local business. It's going through, it's basically proving itself, and they're seeing a demo in firsthand. You don't have to do anything. You can just sit back and take it easy. But from there, then, you might be like, well, we basically have them impressed. How do we then get them on some sort of paying service? Or how do we kind of move this forward? Well, it's simple. You use something that I call the instant pain point method, and I'm not seeing other people do it. And what I've seen of this, it is extremely effective. Check this out. So the instant pain point method is actually different than what a lot of people do. So what most people do with AI or any sort of system is they come in and they immediately go, hey, give me $1,500 to set up and then pay me $297 per month or something like that. Now, the issue is unless you have a ton of credibility, which a lot of you beginners don't, you have no testimonials, you have no awards, you don't have any of this stuff. So it's going to be hard for you, just a random Joe Schmo or Sally Mo, whatever you are, to come in and then be like, well, I want this money. Here's what I can do for you, but I have no credibility. It's pretty tough. That's why a lot of people don't get results. So instead what you do, because again, when you sell it for this price, you're setting expectations really high. You better perform. Instead, you ask this. You don't just say it's free, but you go, I'm going to waive the $1,500 setup fee. A little price anchor in their mind. They go, okay, pretty good, reciprocity. And then you're also going to say, I'm going to help you out risk-free for a 14-day free trial. Now, immediately, you're giving them free stuff, so it's making them warm up to you. You are also leading with value and lowering expectations. Again, I'm not saying go do a bad job and make sure everyone's expectations of you are low. Not what I want. But in the sale, it's much easier if the expectations are low and you actually do a good job to blow them out of the water, because that then from here leads to you selling them on a monthly service. You can collect recurring monthly checks month after month if the service is working right. That's what you want, because the recurring income is what's going to allow you to have the freedom. Now, you may be asking, well, how did we move into this? It's simple. When you're giving them the free trial, the whole goal is to set this up properly, which I'm going to show you in a second. If you don't actually have this working and they're not getting calls answered, the AI chatbot's not booking people, if you're not actually doing a good job, this isn't going to work. You have to actually do a good job. And if you set everything up right, okay, and it's actually answering calls and actually doing customer support and sales like you said it would, they will lean on it. They will become a crutch. Then what happens? At the end of the 14 days, all you do is you just shut it off. That's it. Here's the thing. When you shut it off, if you've set it up right, they will immediately feel that the phones aren't being answered. They're missing leads. They're having to spend more time doing stuff. It's a hassle. It's instant pain. That's why it's called the instant pain point method. From there, they immediately feel the pain. They're like, man, this is not good. Again, you have to actually set it up right, and it has to actually work, because if you then do that, what ends up happening, which is so cool, is they come to you. This is what you guys want. You don't want to always be chasing. You want to attract. And with services like this, if you do it properly, they come to you. And that is what you want. The cool thing too about this is you can sell this to pretty much any business. Now, I know this one is a chiropractic business, but you can sell this to lawyers, dentists, med spas, auto repair, landscapers. I mean, anybody that can basically take calls or answer messages. So you have a massive pool of people to sell this to, which is huge. So you may be like, this is awesome. I want to sell this. I want to start having this demo at some of the businesses, but how do I get my hands on this? Is this actually free? Well, yes, it is. It is free. I'm not trying to sell you anything, but essentially what we have to do is we have to have this built somewhere. So where I built it is a software called GoHighLevel. It's what I use. It's amazing. It's got a ton of stuff. But what I wanted to do, because again, I'm giving you this all for free. You don't have to pay me for it. My goal though was to give you at least a chance to try this. Because again, the software is paid. Like, obviously, it's not my software. I'm not High Level. It's their own software, but I just use it. But what I've done is I talked to the team and I was like, I want to get a 30-day free trial, not a 14-day free trial, because on the website, you just get 14 days free. What I did is I worked out a 30-day free trial, which is right down below, where when you sign up with this, you get 30 days free of High Level. That way, you can come in, get access to my templates, okay, 30 days free, and then if you don't like it in 30 days, see ya. Risk-free. You can cancel if you want. That's what I want to do. I want to give you something that actually works. Now, obviously, I would recommend you try it for longer than a month. That's the way I am. But also, I want to give you the option to make it risk-free so you don't feel like, you're being pushed by one of these gurus. Because you see these guys online, they do this. Hey, give me 10K, give me 5K, give me 3K, give me 20K. I've been at the receiving end of that. You don't want to be that way. So that's the thing. But I've gone a step further. So I'm giving you this. I'm giving you a 30-day free trial, but you might be a little lost. So I want to give you access to my entire private community. And in this community, it's full of winners, okay? You can ask questions and interact with people. You get all the trainings and other pre-built out systems, even pre-built out systems to help you get paying clients. Like, we have it all. Again, all of this is free. Everything you're seeing, these are all modules full of videos, and even 7 live coaching calls at the time of this video you can attend for free every single week. You can even hop on calls with me, as you see here. Message me whenever you want. Guys, these are real agency owners you're seeing. These aren't just like random people I hired off Fiverr. These are real agency owners that are selling High Level, selling AI, and you get to talk to them. And guys, free. Free, all of this. This too, all the templates. I'm serious. It sounds too good to be true. Click the link down below, check it out, and you will see what people are saying, because it's legit. But I'm not kidding you. Like, this is the truth. But yeah, if that interests you, check out that link. And if you guys have any questions at all about any of this, drop in the comments down below. So now what I want to do is I want to run you through setup, because you might be like, okay, this is cool. We get a lot of free stuff, but like, is this actually beginner friendly or easy? Well, let me show you. I'm going to set it up in under 5 minutes. I'll probably do it in 3. So what you're going to do is, once you get in, you're going to download this snapshot, which is everything in here. And we're just going to do a couple quick things. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come right down to AI agents. We're going to come to agent list. We're going to go right to Cole. Okay. And we're going to leave this all as is. Now, you could change the business name. You could change the voice. I don't recommend you do that, or the name. Just leave it as is, because I already set it up. You then can leave agent goals the same. The only thing you're going to need to do if you want to connect businesses' phone numbers is either buy a phone number for $1 or something like that, or port their number into high level or do call forwarding. And if you don't want to do these, you could also just use the AI voice widget, which is already set up for you. So that sets up that. From there, we want to set up your AI chatbot because that is this right here. And that's going back and forth on text, which is AI that talks to you back and forth. And this already set up. You're just going to come in, you're going to make sure it's on autopilot, and you're going to make sure it has the right business name. Then you're going to click save. That's it. You can come in and change stuff around if you're more advanced. But if you're a beginner, I don't recommend you do this because it's just going to confuse you. There's a bunch of other stuff set up in high level too. Like I have calendars built in here and automations. Don't even worry about that. It's all in here. But that's really all you have to do. Then the last thing you have to do, come down to websites, come to Chiropractor, edit a new tab, and then switch out the phone numbers if you have them. If you don't have them, no problem. But if you do, you switch those out and then you're done. That's literally it to set this entire thing up. Now, you may be like, there's no way it's that easy. Download this, get in, and see for yourself. I'm serious. It's the most beginner-friendly thing I've ever seen. Now, again, there's other things we have in this snapshot that have added in that are behind the scenes, but to get the basis of the demo working, that's all you need. You can even use this domain. You don't even have to connect a domain. Check it out. You can just use this. So, like, I know I made it look easy, and I did it in under 5 minutes, but, like, it is that easy. Now, obviously, you got to learn to sell it and all these other things, but that is where this community comes in and all these freebies I'm giving away so we can give you that hand-holding you need to get you there. So that's it. I mean, guys, this is possibly the best thing I have ever seen to sell to local businesses. Because, again, it's solving real problems. I try to, like, tell everyone this, and they don't understand. A lot of you guys are selling stuff that's not valuable enough. But if you can answer the phones and answer messages, that is so valuable. Business owners will pay a premium for that. Trust me. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions at all or anything you're wondering, drop in the comments down below. Like I said before, I'll answer personally. I want to make sure we're on the same page and everything is transparent. Speaking of transparency, I have that GoHighLevel link down below. When you click that, you'll see testimonials and other stuff we've done that way to see that we're legit. But also, I'll be linking a video at the end of this video that's going to go over the community and everything you get. That way you can see who I really am and real case studies of real people coming through here. Because I can yap all day. I don't want to just be the guy that's like, nah, like these other guys just telling you how awesome it is. I want you to make the decision for yourself. I also made it risk-free, so you could try it out. But it's like, that's my intention here. So check it out. Do what you do with it. But I think if you watch the video at the end of the screen, you're really going to like it. So thanks again for watching, and watch the video at the end of this one.